What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today, we are going to talk about Nationwide Car Insurance. Nationwide is a leading auto insurance provider that offers a wide range of coverage options and competitive rates to meet the diverse needs of drivers. With a strong focus on customer service and financial stability, Nationwide has established itself as a trusted choice for auto insurance. Now, let's talk about some of its key features and benefits. Nationwide offers a comprehensive suite of auto insurance coverages to protect you and your vehicle in various situations. Their policy options include bodily injury liability, property damage liability, collision, comprehensive personal injury protection, medical payments, and uninsured or underinsured motorist coverage. You can customize your policy by adding optional coverages like rental reimbursement, roadside assistance, and gap insurance to suit your specific needs. With Nationwide, you can rest assured that you have the right coverage for your driving requirements. Nationwide's accident forgiveness coverage, available in select states, is a valuable benefit that helps you avoid a rate increase after your first at-fault accident. This feature applies to all drivers on your policy and can be used once per policy term. By offering accident forgiveness, Nationwide demonstrates its commitment to customer loyalty and recognizes that even the safest drivers can occasionally be involved in an accident. Smart Ride is Nationwide's usage-based insurance program that rewards you for safe driving habits. By signing up and allowing Nationwide to monitor your driving through a mobile app or device, you can earn an instant 10% discount. The safer you drive, measuring factors such as miles driven, hard braking and acceleration, idle time, and nighttime driving, the higher your potential discount, up to 40%. Smart Ride is an excellent way for drivers to save more money on their auto insurance premiums while promoting safe driving practices. Smart Miles is another usage-based program offered by Nationwide that provides a pay-per-mile insurance model. It's ideal for low-mileage drivers who want to save money on their auto insurance. With Smart Miles, you pay a base rate plus a per-mile rate for the miles you actually drive. To participate, you install a small device on your car that tracks your mileage. You'll receive a discount for signing up and can save even more by driving less. Smart Miles is a flexible and cost-effective option for drivers who don't rack up high mileage on their vehicles. Now, let's talk about some potential drawbacks. While Nationwide offers accident forgiveness as a beneficial feature to avoid rate increase after an at-fault accident, this option is only available in select states. This limitation may be a drawback for drivers residing in areas where accident forgiveness is not offered, as they may not benefit from this rate protection feature. Nationwide's usage-based insurance programs, such as Smart Ride, offer discounts based on driving behavior. While these programs can lead to significant savings for safe drivers, they may not be suitable for all policyholders. Participating in these programs requires drivers to share their driving data, which could raise privacy concerns for some individuals. Additionally, drivers who do not meet the safe driving criteria may not receive the maximum discount, potentially resulting in minimal savings or even increased premiums. Nationwide's standard auto insurance coverage includes essential options like liability, collision, and comprehensive insurance. However, the availability of add-on coverage options such as roadside assistance, rental reimbursement, and gap coverage may vary by state. Some states may have restrictions on certain coverage enhancements, limiting the flexibility and customization options for policyholders in those regions. This limitation could be a drawback for drivers seeking specific additional protection beyond the basic coverage offered by Nationwide. In conclusion, Nationwide's auto insurance offers a range of comprehensive coverage options, valuable benefits like accident forgiveness, and innovative discounts through programs like Smart Ride and Smart Miles. While there are potential drawbacks to consider, Nationwide remains a reputable choice for drivers seeking reliable coverage, competitive rates, and personalized insurance solution. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.